Our modern lives and the risk of skin damage make it harder and harder to spend time in the sun. That means less vitamin D3, which our bodies need for a healthy immune system. Supplements are less effective because vitamin D3 does not absorb well through the digestive tract. So, what can you do? Introducing Viv by Rain. Viv delivers plant-based vitamin D3, where your body can absorb it quickly before ever hitting your digestive tract. Viv is micronized, which creates smaller molecules for increased absorption. Organic, vegan, non-GMO, and all natural. Superior ingredients, superior results. Viv, a spray of sunshine.